Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Sampson and today I'm going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic. It's really simple and intuitive. I'm using Google Chrome. I open up Google Chrome and I'm going to go to Screencast-O-Matic. Just going to click Google it and then go to the website. I have one email already signed in, but you'll have to do for the first time is you'll have to, here, let me show you, log out. You can sign up for free, just give them an email, and then you'll have to download the program. You'll have to install the program, and then you can return to the website. I'm going to log in with my other account actually. And then you press Start Recorder. It's already open. For you, it'll be different, of course. You're not screencasting while you're screencasting. You start recorder and it'll open up this box where you can record your mouse movements. Everybody can see what you're doing on your screen. All you have to do is press the red button in the bottom right hand corner. If you don't like the recording, you can stop it by pressing the red button again and trash it. It will give you up to 15 minutes of screencast a time without going premium or getting a premium account. It's pretty easy. Thanks for watching.